Hi, this is my pronunciation practice about personal information and describe my family. My full name is Duan Steven Leon Fernandez. I am 25 years old. I am tall and handsome. I have short hair and black. My eyes are brown. In addition, I am from Cali, Colombia. And I live with my father and my mother and my little puppy. I am technology of pre-hospital care and study accountancy and nurse. My hobby is play sport like basketball and read a book. My favorite TV show is How to Get Away with Mother, and my favorite sport is swimming. I almost always get up early at 5 o'clock in the morning. After work, first I brush my teeth, I wash my face, also take a shower. Then I get dressed and have breakfast only. I usually have orange juice, eggs, cereal, and fruit. I take my motorcycle because I like drive. I always arrive at my work after 6 o'clock. I never can late for work. I leave the work at 14 and return back home and see my father and my mother again. We eat dinner together in our dinner room at around 19, and after I do the laundry, I do una university work, then I go to gym and check my email. I call my boyfriend and go to supermarket, and finally, 20:30, I go to bed and fall asleep. There are two people in my family. My mother is Aida Fernandez Escobar. She is 52 years old. She is a housewife. She is from Popayán. My mother is very nice. She is short. Her eyes are brown and she has black hair. My father is 15 years old. His full name is Jorge Enrique Leon Quintana. He is businessman. He is from Popayán. My dad is friendly and gentle. On weekends, in my free time, I go to swimming. Also, I like go the movies and I usually go out with my friends to dance salsa. We love it. Bye.